In this video, we will show you how business users can manage the web pages in the Omega site using the latest features available in SmartEdit. SmartEdit is a business tool available to the business users to manage the website contents without any help from technical staff. For this demo purpose, we will take a scenario where the business user wants to change the home page banner. In the current production site, if they have to achieve the same, the business user need to either rely on the technical team to create impexes, or use the editing tool WCMS Cockpit. WCMS has editing capability, but it lacks business-friendly features like drag and drop, cloning, versioning, navigation management, etc. Let's look at the SmartEdit now. In SAP Hybris 1811, SmartEdit comes with option to clone an existing page, create versions, preview the page at design time, so that the user gets the what you see is what you get experience. The tool is very intuitive and designed for non-technical users. For this demo, we are using the SAP Hybris 1811 version, hosted in one of Royal Cyber servers. I will log in using the standard CMS Manager user ID. There are two versions of the content catalog available, staged and online. Typically, the business users work in staged version, and once they are ready to be taken online, they can be synchronized. Before we go further in editing the pages, I will give a brief about the page structure in SAP Hybris. A page represents a single web page. There are different types of pages depending on the information to be displayed. A few standard pages are content pages, category pages, product pages. A page typically will have slots, which is hold components. A component is the smallest piece of information that can be managed in WCMS. Banner, paragraph, etc. are examples of components. Let's search the home page and edit. You can see different options like Basic Edit, Advanced Edit, Versioning, etc. We can create clone of a page from the existing page. Variation is for creating a page with certain restrictions. For example, you can show a page only for winter season, and another page for summer. For now, we will select the primary option. We can create a home page for this demo from the clone. Next, we create the version, so that in case of any issue we can revert to a previous version. The home page of the website looks like this now. For this demo, we will remove this banner and add a new banner in the home page. We can add a banner component just by drag and drop to an available slot. It is very intuitive. We will add the free delivery banner. The user can preview the website. The changes are applied to the stage version only. We will make our page as the new home page now. Synchronize the page to make it online. Now if we look at the live site, we can see the new banner in the home page. That way, business user will be able to change the content pages including home page, help, catalog page, etc. Thank you.